Welcome to our views channel. I am a robot speaker, so I will tell you how to make it. If you want to learn this, watch this video until the end. First you will create a white color. The white color should have a plus sign. Do not stir the Rubik's cubes in the same way. In such cases you should turn to the left and turn it down, and then turn to the elevator side and lift the collar that comes up. It is right. And that is not right, it's wrong. So this is the first step. We have to complete the Rubik's Cube that we have completed. Like and share the video and subscribe.